Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I have my gorgeous model and I'm going to be transforming her into a Yoruba bride. So if this video sounds interesting to you, so definitely keep on watching. So my bride, can you introduce yourself to my audience? Yeah, say hi.
Hi.
Okay, so let's get started. So guys, I started off by cleaning her face with a wipe, a baby wipe actually, and I went on with my micellar water from my Chick Cosmetics. Actually, in this video, I'm going to be using only Nigerian brands, so stay focused, guys. The next one I'm using right now is the Mattifying Primer, and it's for Kaale. Name is Kaale. I don't know if it's a Nigerian brand actually, but it's a mattifying primer, and I'm just using that all over her face except her under eye, guys. Take notes, don't apply mattifying primer under your eye or your client's or model's eye too. So I'm just going to apply that all over her face and I'm using my fingers as you guys can see. Next up, I'm going to move on to my sweat block and I'm applying that in her T-zone all over her face because she has oily face, guys. So I applied on every part of her face except her under eye. You have to leave that under eye to stock in most moisture. So guys, I'm moving ahead to my foundation. I mixed the Ava Cosmetics foundation and Zickel foundation. I mixed the two shades together to get what I wanted. So guys, I'm just going to applying that all over her face and then blend it out with my blending foam. So guys, I'm actually blending it out right now. I'm blending it out. Guys, watch and enjoy. And I'm just blend until you're satisfied, guys. So right now I'm using my Ava Cosmetics, my Ezekiel Cosmetics foundation in the shade 030 bronze, and I'm using that as my contour shade, and I'm going to be applying it on her cheekbone, above her forehead and the sides of her nose, guys. And I'm going to be blending it out also with that same foam, guys. That same foam. Don't think you cannot use, like, you have to have like 10 beauty sponge before you can achieve a flawless look. No, guys, try to minimize because you can have like 10, 12 clients, 6 clients a day, and you can't be using, I mean, how many sponge will you be using if you have like 10 clients? You get what I mean? So try to minimize what you have, try to make do of what you have. It's not like we don't have it, but you just have to maintain. You get what I mean? So guys, I'm moving into my highlights. I'm trying to highlight the face and I'm using the concealer. I'm using the Ava Cosmetics concealer. I don't really know the shade. Yeah, I don't really know the shade, but I think it's a shade, maybe toast. I guess toast or cinnamon. I'm not right. I'm not really sure, guys. So I'm highlighting the face. I highlighted under her eyes, the bridge of her nose, at forehead, that's the temple, and a cupid bow. I'm just blending them out. I'm blending all the areas where I applied concealer. Just try to blend them out seamlessly. Always blend very well. It's very important. Blending is key to a flawless look. Just take note of that, guys. Blending is very, very key. So right now I'm applying my blush. I actually use a lip palette, and it's my Perfect Queen Products lip palette. I told you guys I'm using Nigerian brands only for this gorgeous look. So I'm using Perfect Queen Products blush as my blush palette, like lip palette as my blush palette, sorry. So I'm just blending that out. I'm blending it out upwards, like I'm not bringing it downwards. I'm blending it upwards just to snatch the face, guys. The face have to look snatched and upward. You get, guys. So that's what I'm doing. Blend. I'm trying to blend under eye again to avoid creasing after applying my setting powder. As you guys can see, I'm setting the face right now. I'm setting all the areas where I highlighted earlier. So I'm setting the highlighted areas. Make sure you blend it in. Everything requires blending. Blend in very, very well. Yeah, blend it very well. So guys, after highlighting, I'll be moving on to my bronzer, like my contour. I'm using a contour powder I'm using the contour effect palette by Classic Makeup USA. I think that's the only non-Nigerian brand in this video. Sorry guys. So I'm using that to as in emphasize on those areas I already used my cream contour on, and I'm just using them on those areas. And the size of our nose, sorry, I'm using it on the size of the nose just to emphasize more on the cream contour I already applied there. And yeah guys, after that I'm going to just be baking. Yeah, baking. Bake. You know, I said earlier that she has an oily face and we need to bake bake. Guys, whenever you have oily skin clients, try to bake for a long time. Like, bake, you need to bake. More emphasis on baking. And right now we're doing the brows. Yeah, we're doing the brows, guys. Pay attention, guys. This brow is self-explanatory. I don't need to talk much, just watch. Okay. After outlining my brows, and I'll move ahead to conceal the brows. Yeah, I need to conceal the brows to define, to give it a good definition, guys. So I'm just going ahead to outline my brows. Outlining, guys, be careful when outlining your brows, because you don't want to make mistakes. Yeah, making a mistake can take you back to square one, and we don't want that, guys. So pay attention. After I'm done with outlining the bottom of my brows, I'll go ahead to outline the top of my brows. Yeah, just to define it more. Just to define it more. Guys, I made this brow outline detailed. I made it detailed for you guys to learn. And please, if you learned something or two, don't forget to subscribe to my channel before leaving, and give this video a thumbs up. It's very, very important. Don't forget to leave me a nice comment. Let me know your opinion about this look I created. Let me know if it's a hit or miss, guys. What I'm doing right now is I'm blending I'm blending out the excess concealers. You know, we want our work to be seen as in flawless and seamless, so you need to blend. Every step needs blending. Okay. Right now I'm applying concealer on my eyelid right before I apply my eyeshadow, because we need a base to place on the eyeshadow. So we want a base because we want the eyeshadow to pop when we apply it. So we have to apply a concealer first, and after applying the concealer, I'm going to be setting it in with a setting powder, and that's what I'm doing right here. I'm setting it in with a powder. You can use any powder for this step. You can use your normal powder and you can use a setting powder, whichever one is good for you. And then I went ahead to apply my first color, like my base color, because I'm actually going for a glitter look. But right now I'm using a shimmer eyeshadow for this part, for this step. Now that I'm applying, I am using a gold shimmer eyeshadow for this step right here. I'm doing. After which I went in with my glitters glue, and then I'll be moving on into my glitters. I'm actually using the glitter from one of my eyeshadow palettes just for this look, so it's nothing much, guys. So after applying my glitters, I went ahead with a dark brown shade as my transition color. I'm using that shade as my transition color, and that's it, guys. Just blending it all over our crease, blending it all over our crease, from the outer corner to the inner corner of our eyes. Sorry guys, I didn't know I wasn't filming the part I applied the lashes. I'm sorry about that, guys. So right now I'm doing the lips, and I used a deep brown, like wine color, as an outline for the lips, and I went on with an orange shade at the middle part, and then I'm brightening it up with my, as in nude color of lipstick. So and that's what I'm doing right now. I'm trying to blend it out for it to blend out together to avoid ash lines, and that's what I'm doing right here. Here I'm trying to conceal the lips. I'm trying to conceal the lips. Yeah, just to give it a more defined look. That's what I'm doing right now. Yeah, guys, we're almost done. I'm here. I'm blending out the excess. I'm dusting off the excess um setting powder that I used in baking the face. I'm just dusting it off with my powder, my Ava Cosmetics powder. I think in the shade 05. Yeah, if I'm not mistaken, the shade 05. Just dusting it off with that shade. Dusting all the areas where I baked, where I highlighted. Yeah, where I highlighted and baked. So I use my Beckham Ageless Cosmetics for the area where I snatched, where I like this below our cheekbone. Yeah, below our cheekbone, where I'm actually blending out right now. I used my Beckham Ageless Cosmetic. I don't know the shade, so I used that shade to blend that side out. And I'm trying to bring it down to our neck area just to blend everything together. Right now I'm touching the um what's it called, the blush area. Yeah, I'm just blushing it up, giving it a more defined look. And yeah, guys, we're done, and I'm only setting the face with my setting spray After which I went on with my highlighter and I'm highlighting the face. Yeah, that's it, guys. Next, what you are going to see next is me tying a gele. Yeah, and our Yoruba bride is ready. So the making of our Yoruba bride. This is me actually tying the gele. Yeah, I did a V shape gele. V round. I don't know how to call it. It's a V shape gele. V shape round gele. Let's call it like that. So guys, this is the end of. This is the finished look. This is the finished look. If you end up enjoying this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and let this video go viral, guys. I know you guys can do it, and don't forget to leave me a comment in the comment section.